This phone looked like it had no chance of surviving. The screen was completely shattered, covered in dirt, and almost impossible to recognize. Most people would have thrown it away without thinking twice, but every broken device deserves one last chance. The damaged display was carefully removed. Every tiny component was inspected, and a brand new screen was installed with precision. Piece by piece, the phone started coming back to life. The transformation was unbelievable. What looked like nothing more than electronic waste now looked clean, fresh, and fully restored. It proves that with the right skills, the right tools, and a little patience, even the most damaged phone can get a second life. The final result is incredibly satisfying. Would you repair this phone, or would you buy a new one?